The title of this video, it's not clickbait. It is intended for my customers only. Don't waste your time. You're not going to learn anything new here. It is solely for the elucidation of my novice veneer users. Hello, my name is Tom Volpe from Volpe Woodworks. Thank you for purchasing one or more sheets of veneer from one of my selling venues, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, my own website, volpewoodworks.com, and newly, TikTok. By now you've received a package in the mail, similar to one of these. This is my standard shipping cartons. When you receive it, open the carton up, inspect it for damage. But inside the carton, you'll find a frequently asked question paper that I've compiled that addresses things such as adhesives, cutting, clamping, most important. And then, of course, if you're not ready to use the veneer for your project right away, storage of the veneer. This is my typical method for securing the veneer in transit. I have a layer of stretch wrapped around a single layer of cardboard. Careful, there's a little bit of spring tension. But you'll notice that if your veneer, in this case, if you purchase the walnut veneer, you got some random sheet of veneer included with your project. This random sheet serves two purposes. One, it helps me secure the veneer as I'm packing your veneer. And then second, it provides you, the novice veneer user, a sheet to practice with. If you have never seen, touched, or worked with veneers before, I strongly suggest you practice clamping, cutting, just using, practice with the scrap piece of veneer. That way you learn what not to do with the scrap piece of veneer. It is my sincere desire that you are successful in completing your project. In my YouTube channel, I have several videos on basic veneering techniques. Watch some of the videos, and if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always happy to advise. Thank you for letting me supply you with wood veneers for the last 28 and a half years. Thank you.